Welcome to a world where time slows down, where every sound of nature becomes music, and every simple gesture turns into a quiet prayer. Here, life moves with the rhythm of the wind, the crackle of firewood, and the soft steam rising from a cup of tea. Welcome to the peaceful life of a Japanese village. Before we begin this gentle journey, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also explore our other calm spaces. Serenity Village life, nature beauty. Each village tells its own story. Each moment reveals a new way to slow down and live fully. The silence here isn't empty, it breathes. It whispers. This is the poetry of simplicity. A cup of hot tea, a steaming bowl of rice, a smile shared without words. That's the beauty of Japanese village life. Humble, quiet, and deeply human. In these villages, every action has meaning. Wood is shaped by hand, vegetables are picked at dawn, clothes dry gently in the mountain breeze. Here, everything follows the rhythm of nature, the earth, the seasons, the heart. This is more than a lifestyle, it's slow living. To live slowly is to truly see, to listen to the rain, to watch the steam rise from soup.
ねまだ残ってるよ。いい？あんこ。あ、よかった。できた。はい。じゃあこれだけ。本当にですよ。すごいね。
いあったけど5つぐらいしか。
だ
本当？
うん、ガンガン頑張って。
As night falls, lanterns begin to glow one by one. The village slows down even more. A shared meal, a few gentle voices, then silence. Only the sound of the wind and the crickets remains. And in that silence, you realize something. Living slowly doesn't mean losing time. It means gaining it for yourself, for nature, for your soul. Thank you for traveling with us through peaceful corner of this village. If this moment brought you calm, please like, share, and subscribe for more journeys like this. From the Swiss Alps to the Nordic forests, from Vietnamese rice terraces to African plains, every village has its own peace, rhythm, and light. Don't forget to visit Serenity Village Life, Nature Beauty to continue your journey into slow, simple, and mindful living. Because life is more beautiful when we take time to truly live it.